Hello and welcome on this page. You are here because you want to learn how to use your spiritual gifts, your superpowers, to make a living. You want to wake up every single morning knowing that what you're doing has a meaning and purpose to it. You want to manifest your dream life, the life where you wake up every single morning with crystal clear clarity on what you need to do to live the life of fulfillment, to live the life of contribution, the life of impact. You want to help other people transform their lives just like you have transformed yours. You are here because you connected to that inner voice telling you that you are meant to do something great with your life. You are meant to do more than just work for someone else, build someone else's dreams. No, you're here to build your own dream. And while you're building your dream, while you're building your financial security, while you're building the lifestyle of your dreams, where you're always improving yourself and helping other people improve their lives too. You want to use the information that you have, your passions, your skills, the things you've transformed in your life, and use the technology that we have right now. We're living through such an amazing time where we're all connected. You can literally start your business from home without anybody's help, just free resources and maybe a little bit of guidance from someone who's already done what you want to accomplish. This is the first time in the history of mankind where we are so connected through technology and the internet, and we can literally be as creative as we can with how we make money, how we make a living, how we structure our day, how we build our lifestyle. We don't need other people's permission and we don't need a middleman. As long as you're willing to put yourself out there and let your authenticity shine, you can make it, and it can make it so beautiful that your life literally feels like you are living in heaven every single day of your life. So what's the problem, you might be asking? Why is that most people struggle to find the right career, find the right position, find a job that literally feels fulfilling so they feel excited about waking up and going to do their work? Why are so many people in the constant state of anxiety and even depression, not knowing which direction to take, which path to take, what is the best thing for them to do in their life? How can they manifest such a beautiful lifestyle that they can feel absolutely proud of themselves and feel like an inspiration to everyone around them? And since you're here on this page, I'm also assuming that you are a spiritual warrior at heart. You cannot stop thinking about improving yourself, growing as a spiritual being, evolving consciously into the highest version of yourself, the best version of yourself you can possibly imagine. You have already spent years and years improving yourself, going through various resources and tools like different self-help books. You've joined some online classes, probably studied many different spiritual and holistic modalities, bought courses, joined masterminds, and I applaud you for that. It is absolutely amazing seeing people trying to get to that next level of success in life, trying to bring their gifts, their superpowers, their natural tendencies and turn them into a meaningful business or just a vehicle for us to create our financial stability. And if working with clients is something that you've been dreaming about or you've already done to some degree but you wanted to take it to the next level, then you're also in the right place. Two biggest problems I see people having with manifesting the life they really desire. One of the things is most of us have gone through a broken educational system which did not prepare us for the real world. We've been brainwashed to never question anything. We've been brainwashed to just memorize useless information. We've been brainwashed to believe that there is only one answer. Most people trying to manifest the life of their dreams will go look outwards. They'll look for people who inspire them, learn from them, learn their techniques. And yes, it sounds like a great idea. That's one of the ways we learn as human beings. We imitate. We get inspired by other people who are where we want to be, and we can imitate their movements, their actions, their responsibilities, their tasks, what they focus on to try to replicate a similar effect. The problem with this, however, is if you're not connected to what truly empowers you, you won't be able to accomplish or achieve that level of success. You need to become exceptional at what you're doing if you want to get great results in your life. And for this, you need that congruent and authentic alignment with your natural gifts and talents. So while it is absolutely amazing, we live into the era of information where you can access amazing resources literally for free. You can YouTube or Google anything in the world and you will find the answers. The only problem, again, is you don't have the lens that can tell you what kind of information is going to be the best for you to apply in your life. What kind of information, what kind of things you will focus on to gain the most results in your life with the least amount of effort and with the least amount of time. It's not about hustling your entire life or for decades going through different books and different classes, different masterminds, different positions, different interviews, trying to find what's your purpose, what's your calling, what is the best position for you. What if you could save decades of your life and thousands of dollars spent on different and further education, trying to improve yourself and find who you actually are? So that you can manifest that life of fulfillment and freedom because you'll be doing the right things for your soul. You will be able to live the life as a conscious creator of your own reality. If you want to learn how you can apply the information about your soul, the soul's origin, to discover your ultimate blueprint to your most fulfilling career, and you want to have someone guide you to that entire process, we have a very special and rare opportunity only for those of you who have watched this video until now. Right now, under this video, you can click the link and go to a booking page where you can book a free consultation call, 45 minutes, absolutely free, value-packed call where I will show you how you can transform your life in the next 3 to 6 months applying the information about your soul origin. You'll be able to learn what are the keys to becoming absolutely exceptional at your own thing so that your career feels like an expression of who you are as an abundant, conscious creator of your own reality. You'll discover the quickest way to manifest the true abundance in your physical experience of life in the most practical and real ways. You'll be able to quickly identify the quickest path for you to reach that next level of success, whatever that means for you in your life, which is in alignment, in authentic alignment with who you are. Now you have the opportunity to take your future into your hands. Book the call. There is absolutely nothing to lose. It will take you less than 2 minutes and it can be literally the most transforming thing you've ever done. This is different to anything else you've ever tried. Not a single course or a mastermind provides such detailed information about who you are, how to align to your ultimate divine gifts so that your life feels like an expression of who you are at the soul level. You will start living the life other people would consider a miracle. So book the call right now and I will see you on the inside.